Namaste everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about thyroid health issue. I have heard many of you to make a video on thyroid. I have already made many videos on thyroid issue, but in this video, I'm going to talk about psychological reason of having thyroid disorder. We say generally the thyroid disorder is connected to your Vishuddhi chakra. Vishuddhi chakra is one of the 7 chakra. When we talk about throat chakra or Vishuddhi chakra, it is in the center of the throat. When this chakra is blocked, you have a thyroid health issue. Now, what is the reason of blocking this chakra? So, when we have a suppression of any talk, like you want to talk something but you're fearful to say something and you're suppressing your talk, your things in the throat all the time, you don't want to say or you're shy to say, you are not daring to say something, then you have a blockage in your thyroid gland. Another reason, if you feel that if from childhood you have a habit of suppressing your talk, you're very shy or you cannot express your feeling, then also you will feel the thyroid health issue. So mostly I have seen the thyroid in the woman after marriage when they want to say many things but they suppress the things in the throat, and that time they develop the thyroid disorder. Now psychologically, how to release the thyroid disorder? You need to release this disorder by opening up your throat chakra. And how to release the throat chakra or how to open up the Vishuddhi chakra? There is a mantra for this chakra and there is a very beautiful breathing which probably I have shared in many of my other videos, but I'm going to share in this video as well. And I'm going to give you one acupressure point. I'm going to give you one mudra to take care of your thyroid health issue, whether it is a hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, or your TSH is high, then you can apply these all practices, which is very safe and secure in order to take care of your thyroid health issue. So first thing which I'm going to give you is one mantra. As we say, there is a mantra for each and every chakra which works like a key to open up the lock. If the lock is there, then you need to have a key to open that lock, right? So this works as a key. So the mantra for the throat chakra, Vishuddhi chakra, is hum. H-U-M, hum. So how to say? We don't say simply hum. No, it's hum. Hum, hum, hum. So this is kind of breathing only with the sound. So what you need to do, you need to keep both the hands on your throat and you inhale and do this hum breathing. Inhale. Hum, 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 hum. I did 10 times and I feel too much release in my throat chakra or Vishuddhi chakra. So you can practice this 10 to 15 times, 2 to 3 times a day with this hum sound. The way I have given you, the same way you can do this breathing with hum sound. So one breathing is this for thyroid health issue. Another breathing, you can just simply keep the hand same way in order to feel the vibration. And we do a very powerful pranayama which we call it Brahmari pranayama, and this is specifically for your thyroid, where you inhale and you do B sound. Like this you will do 10 to 15 rounds before sleeping, or in the late evening you can practice, and you will feel your mind will become so much relaxed. Your entire hormonal system will come in the balance by doing this breathing practice specifically for your thyroid gland. So when I practice only 2 rounds, I'm feeling so relaxed and calm So if you practice 10 to 15 rounds the way I have given you just now, then you will feel too much relaxed even in the stress and anxiety. Your stress and anxiety will reduce day by doing this breathing practice. So try to include this breathing practice. This is a second breathing practice. And now I'm going to give you acupressure point for thyroid. So what you need to do, take both the thumbs, and if you're a female, take your right hand thumb, and with the hand of left hand you will massage like this your thumb, probably 2 minutes, by keeping a smile on your face. Make it very warm. Make sure you're not twisting the thumb, you're just massaging the thumb gently. Give a massage 2 minutes. You can apply some oil in order to have a smooth massage of the thumb area. So after massaging this area for 2 minutes, you can even take the other hand if you have time. Massage this hand 2 minutes in the thumb. This is a very good acupressure point for thyroid. Every day 2 minutes this hand massage, 2 minutes this hand massage. And when it is very warm, you form one mudra. In this mudra, you are going to hold your thumb. So take your left hand thumb and hold it with the right hand this way, and form this mudra and hold it at your chest center. We call it Shankha Mudra, and you just breathe, or you can do your humming bee breath in the combination of this mudra, and try to form this mudra 5 to 7 minutes with your humming bee breath or Bhramari Pranayama. You will see miracle in few days. You will reduce on your thyroid levels. If you are continuously practicing for 3 months, then you will release your thyroid disorder completely. So that's it for now. If you are looking for any other video or any other topic, let me know in the comment box, and find the details of my courses in this video description: acupressure therapy, mudra therapy, and face yoga therapy. And also I have added some meditation courses. So that's it for now. Thank you everyone.